Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for the time that has been given to me this opportunity today, and thank you personally and for the blessing of Ida Sayang Widiwasa, because God has given us the opportunity to hold this meeting. And Honorable Mr. Igusti Ngurah Agung Wijaya Mahardika, SPD and MPD, and what respect my friend in the Denpasar PBI class. So I will explain my speech about using Gerber. First of all, I'm open to speak with greeting to Ida Sayang Widiwasa and toast my parents. So I will the people of Panganjali Umat. Om Swastiastu. So Indonesia country is emitting to products with 64 million tons of waste every year. Based on data from Ministry of Environment and Forestry, the combination of wastes dominant the organic wastes, which reaches 16% of the total wastes. Plastic wastes often see the second position with 14%, follow 9% paper waste and 5 to 5% rubber. And next order wastes continues to metal, clothes, glass, and other type of the wastes be over as something and throw it away. For example, the plastic for container of good to make it easy for the to fry and more practical. If in only were to ask plastic in increasing, the plastic waste is increasing. In addition, there is also garbage. That is development of vulnerability. Such as clothes that are not larger, uses plastic that can not larger be uses, and household appliances that have been damaged. These wastes include not organic wastes because it cannot be used briefly and development to decompose naturally. So it is non-organic wastes is dangerous. That may assure of the cause, yes, because if the waste is left to alone without any recycling process, the main source of plastic waste come from the food benefit packing, customer good packing, soapy bag, and other food packing. From the total generation of plastic waste is estimated to only 10 to 15% recklessly, and 60 and 7 to 17% is dumped in the ladder, and 50 to 30% to wastes. And next has not been managed and wastes to environment estimated to a quality environment such as river, lakes, beaches, and the sea. This non-organic wastes is very dangerous for the plant and well too for animals. If this waste is implanted in the soil, then soil fertility will decrease and cause plant to die slowly. And this garbage is the process of carnality that animal looking for food will add this garbage which cause the animal to death, so a recycling process is needed for the non-organic wastes. How to ask these non-organic wastes, namely be recycling, namely the waste will be appliances, handcraft, cellars where it was used to craft minimal material from the work of art. So Non-organic wastes that usually in our environment can also as the form or nature be processing it. In addition to non-organic wastes as from organic wastes, namely that can be processed naturally, such as liver wastes to derived from the text or plant. This waste is usually precious, be plant and such as failing dry liver and or dry broom and breed flowers. This waste is called organic waste because it can be processed of quality, natural, and usually this was the used by farmers, which is used as organic fertilizer or colored compost. This fertilizer undergoes a process of the decay by planting in the soil with sufficient time to that it can be abolished by the soil plant by plants. Apart from the being fertilizer, organic wastes can also be used material from craft or wool of the art that can be sold and make money, like making a painting from the tree lever of tree flower. In addition to lever, that ring can be also be used as work of the art. For example, acid of table is organic waste dangerous. May as well if the cause dangerous if the processing method is wrong. For example, letting dry process and finishing which cause the air insect to become humid which make the air smaller. Bad and make the air the species of denses that we must the added to process. If the property so that it can be used without harming the environment. So, in conclusion, organic and non-organic wastes will be dangerous if recycling process is wrong, will cause disease or can damage the quality environment. So we must process improperly and accurately so that does happen. If we can process improperly and accurately, then we catch as the work the environment and observers and other living things. Let's start learning to ask the garbage in our environment so that it can be useful for us. It is no small problem, it is not a simple problem, but it is a big problem if we can solve it. Garbage with the be something dangerous. If we can handle, if both driver will be involved in we handle it well, we just need little info so that we can use everything in our environment. For surfers and the environment, so that like conservation, art culture, reselling, dress for all good. So, thank you for your education for our people in here. So, thank you so much for your people because you can come in here. You can listening my speaks in here. So I'm close my speaks with the Prama Santi. Om Santi 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 Om. Thank you.